Hi everyone. Hey, who is here? Hi. Finally, I'm here in Winner's house to give the gift, and here's our little Munchin. Say hi, hi. Say hi, hi. Okay, let's go in and see the winner and give the prize. Where is the winner? Ah, here is other guys. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Era, Deepika.
Hello.
Hello.
Celine. Watching TV. Here comes the winner. Koi, tali thali yeso bajayo.
Clapping for myself.
Yeah. And it's very hard to chase him for giving the gift. He's a really busy man, and unfortunately, yeah, he's moving out from Sydney to Darwin.
Tomorrow.
And here comes his partner. Yeah, a very huge congratulations to both of them. Let Era give the gift.
Yeah.
Era, can you give them the gift? Say congratulations. Stand up, stand up. It's heavy. It's heavy.
You have to
Don't drop it, be
I am
careful.
covered.
Hold it and give it to uncle and auntie together. Ready?
On this one.
Uncle.
On this one.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for this special gift.
Yeah. Anything to say?
Yeah. Actually, I'm a non-drinker,
Uh,
and I would like to give this to Royal Tiles Group, obviously.
okay. Maybe you need to call Anup then.
Yeah.
And here is another small gift from us.
Yeah,
That's chocolate. Yeah, as I know that I came to know you didn't drink and you are going away. So Era, can you give to them?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Much.
what do you need to say?
You need to say something?
Okay, from Royal family and from us, very best wishes for your future ahead. Hopefully, we'll come down to Darwin or you will come back to us. Yeah. So till then, bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Okay.
And best wishes for your YouTube channel.
Thank you very much. Okay. We'll take the video and bye bye.
Bye.